Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about how to be gentle with yourself. So we'll look into what it means and how you can do it. So what does it really mean to be gentle with yourself? Well, it means doing the best that you can right now. And the key word being you. So it's about you doing the best that you can at this very moment. And it's about giving yourself permission to go through life at your own pace while doing your best. And your version of best is different from the next person. So focus on you and stop comparing yourself to others. Because in doing so, you start to ask yourself questions like, what's wrong with me? Why am I like this? Or why am I like that? And then the cycle of depression and anxiety begins. So now let's look at how you can do it. The first thing is consider the mistakes as part of the learning process, because mistakes will teach you a lot about yourself, and also you will realize what works and what needs to be changed. Learning from mistakes is often the key to success. It will encourage you to work on yourself and take risks that lead to personal growth. It will help you focus on what really matters and can also help in shaping your character. So making mistakes is part of the learning process, so learn from them. So the second thing is let go of the past. Stop holding on to the bad things that happened in your past or things that didn't go so well, because that will hold you back from being the best that you can be. So all you're doing is hurting yourself emotionally. And then the next thing is self-condemnation. And before you know it, you are now in this habit of self-sabotaging. So stop and let the past go. So the next thing is learn to express your emotions creatively. Be in touch with your emotions and don't bottle up your feelings. Acknowledge the emotion and then allow yourself to feel the emotion and find a way or ways to express that emotion. Make sure to find a healthy way to process your emotions. So you could pray, listen to music, paint, go for a run, or writing. Don't bottle up your emotions. Suppressing your emotions is not healthy for you. It will definitely affect you in some way. So the next thing is learn to celebrate every success, even when it seems insignificant. Take time to celebrate your successes, both large and small, because it boosts your self-confidence and motivates you to achieve more. So celebrate yourself and all your accomplishments, no matter how insignificant they may seem. And make sure to include the people who may have helped you along the way. Celebrate with them as well and appreciate them. This will help you nurture meaningful relationships, and those same people will want to help you again in the future. So the next thing is surround yourself with people who want the best for you. The people you surround yourself with have a huge impact on your life. They can influence your thoughts, your emotions, and behavior in both positive and negative ways. So make sure to surround yourself with people who inspire you to be the best version of yourself. These people will be there for you to motivate and encourage you. And the next thing is speak kindly to yourself. I have a video on how you can learn to treat yourself right and be a good friend to yourself. I would highly encourage you to watch it. So I will leave a link in the description box below. So another important thing to note is if you're doing things that you have never done before or it's something out of your comfort zone, then it's so important that you try your best to be more gentle with yourself. It's a new territory and it's not easy, and you are learning and growing. So show yourself some grace and patience and develop some reasonable expectations from yourself. Okay guys, that's it from me today. Thank you for watching. If you find this content helpful, then like and share with someone, and remember to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my next video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.